Good morning, trader. Here is a complete ready to use kit for tomorrow prediction in options trading and crypto. How to get a small or minimum profit in USA. Step by step trading process. I also picked 3 growth style equities under $40 right now with short description and a target price for each. Source cited. I used recently market and strategy references so you can act for tomorrow. December 13th, 2025. Quick disclaimer. I cannot guarantee any profit or predict markets with certainty. The tomorrow approach below is a disciplined short-term trading framework that aims for small defined profit using limited risk option structures and risk controls. Always confirm live quotes and implied volatilities with your broker before placing order. The strategy, guidance and options mechanics reference industry resources. Step by step process. Pre-market scan 6:30 to 9:20 ET. Check overnight news futures ES or NQ futures and major economic calendar items for if major events, Fed, CPI, big earnings are due to skip short-term premium selling. Pick the underlining. Use US listed stocks or ETFs or crypto, BTC or ETH. Prepare liquid symbols with tight spreads and option chains. High open interest for crypto. Use spot or perpetuals on a regulated US exchange or trade options where available. Choose a conservative strategy. Aim defined risk, small target profit, primary size, bull put spread, credit put, cash secured put, iron condor, neutral. These limits risk and earn premium time decay. Pick time frame and strikes. Expiry 7 to 21 days. Weekly expirations prepared. For next day, directional field choose the closest weekly with enough premium. Strike selection. Aim 1 to 3% OTM for higher probability of success for credit spreads. Widen wings for lower probability, higher credit. Position sizing and risk rules. Risk per trade. 1 to 2% of account equity maximum defined loss equal strike with net credit into contracts into multiply 100. If that loss exceeds your per trade limit, reduced size. Entry mechanics. Use limit orders set price near mid of bid or ask await market orders, record the targeted rate and maximum acceptable debit for files. Exit rules. Take out profit, stop or stop loss. Take profit when you compute capture 30 to 50% of maximum possible gain. Common rule for credit spreads. Cut losses at 50 to 70% of maximum loss or roll. Adjust before sharp strikes are breached. Monitoring. Monitor intraday. If price approaches sharp strikes, decide to buy back or roll or pair with directional edge. Small long futures or long options. Post trade review. Record realized profit and loss, maximum adverse excursion, and what you learned. These strategy mechanics and risk controls are consistent with standard industry. Education on vertical spreads, cash secured puts and iron condos. Simple actionable tomorrow trade plan. A conservative income bull put spread, underlining liquid stock or ETFs. Expiry nearest weekly 14 days out. Sell 1 put 2%, OTM by a lower put 5 points or strikes below receive net credit. Size choose contracts so maximum risk. Fourth 1% account exit buyback at 30 to 50% of rate of if underlining hits short strike. B neutral range bound iron condo define risk. Use on higher liquidity ETF EG spike. QQQ or a stock with wide but stable range. Sell OTM put and OTM call approx 2 to 4% away. Hedge with further OTM long options. Collect net credit target 20 to 40% ROIC return on risk for small gains. C by the dip plan. Cash secured put accumulating stock below today. Sell one OTM put where you be happy to own the stock. Hold enough cash to cover assignment premium collected. Reduced effective purchase price. Today we will prepare a low risk plan aiming for a small reliable profit tomorrow. Step 1. Pre-market scan. Look at futures, overnight news and the economic calendar. If there is big news, pause trades. Step 2. Pick up a liquid underlining shoes, a stock or ETF with tight bid-ask spreads. Step 3. Choose a defined risk strategy for minimal next day effort. I recommended a bull put credit spread, a cash secured put or an iron condor for neutral markets. Step 4. Select expiry 7 to 21 days. Out and strikes about 1 to 3% out of the money. To rise probability. Step 5. Size your position so that the maximum possible loss is no more than 1 to 2% of your account. Step 6. Enter limit order only. Never use market orders for spreads. Step 7. Set automatic exit rules. Take profits at 30 to 50% of maximum gain and cut losses at 50% to 70% of maximum loss. Step 8. Monitor intraday and be ready to roll or close if the price approaches short strike. Finally, keep a trade long look and review your result each today. That the disciplined approach that aims for steady minimum profits while protecting capital. Trade small, stay consistent and protect risk. Another 3 growth stocks under $40. This is equity sware. I scanned live sources for 3 prices and analyst notes December 12th and 13th, 2025. Below are 3 names under $40 today. short rational and reference target price from recent analyst commentary. Use these only as idea starters. Confirm quotes with your broker before trading. Rivian Automotive. This is the first company. Current price is $18. Why it can grow? Rivian announced a shift to in-house AI autonomy, silicon, and an autonomy plus subscription, signaling higher recurring revenue potential and vertical integration that can improve margins. Analysts reacted positively. Needham raised a price target to $23 after the autonomy and AI Day used as a growth turnaround play in EV and autonomy. Second company is Marathon Digital. Current price is $11 or $12. Why it can grow? Marathon is a large Bitcoin miner whose revenue and profit can expand when Bitcoin prices and miner efficiency improve. Marathon has shown strong operational leverage to BTC price moves. Analysts forecast show upside scenarios. Some forecast model mind themes targets if BTC momentum continues. Conservative service area target ranges in analyst notes vary. Many sources show potential into mid-teens. Target price analyst forecast ranges vary. Some models suggest $16. Consensus forecast vary. Confirm BTC outlook vary to trading. That is Mara company. And third one is Plug Power. Current price is $2.30. Why it can grow? Hydrogen fuel cell and electrolyzer revenue expansion if commercial adoption increases. Speculative growth story with big upside in successful deployment scenarios. Analyst consciousness 12-month price targets are modest. Market beat consensus shows a mean target near $2.8. Some analysts as high as $7 but widely dispressed. Use small position sizing given high volatility and uncertain fundamentals. Target price is consensus $2.8. Important, these are not buy recommendation. They are short descriptions with recent analyst targets and regions. They might grow. Double check live quotes and full company filling before acting. Quick sample trade you can set up tomorrow morning. Underlining RIV and Revin. Liquid calls puts may exit. Account size $10,000. This is example. Risk per trade 1%. That's mean equal $100 maximum loss. Strategy bull put spread 14-day expiration. Sell 1 Revin 17.5 put, buy 1 Revin 12.5 put dollars. Example strikes. Check that width 100. Multiply contracts. Fourth allowed risk. If net credit equal $1 maximum loss, $5.00 minus $1.00. That's mean $100 minus 400, $100 equal $400 too large for this account size, so reduce it to 0.25 contract. Equivalent or smaller or shoes narrower. Wings are smaller notional to keeps loss 1400. Entry limits to mid price set OCO order to buy back at 40% profit. This is a template. You must use real options price and adjust size to your account. I fished a real world recent options chain snapshot for Rivian Automotive and used it to build a specific defined risk options trade you could set up for a next few days credit spread. Intent to aim for a small consistent profit. This uses midpoints from a actual quoted them. Current Rivian stock price roughly 17% 9% $5th December data snapshot. This is close to last traded levels reported. Live data example trade. Bull put spread. Trade put. Strategy bull put vertical spread. Sell a put closer to spot. Buy a lower put for a protection. Goal. Collect premium and profited stocks. Stays above your short put by expiration. Trade setup example nearest. Weekly 7 to 10 days out. Leg. Action. Again action price. Approximately midpoint premium. Action 1 leg sell. Action 2 leg put $20. 2.68 bid $1.41 to $3.95. Buy put $18. 6.6065 cent bid 0.04 ask 0.9. Midpoint or approximately bid plus ask 2. These are indicative prices from the recent chain snapshot. Traded math per contract. Net credit received $2.615. That is equal $2.68 minus $0.065 into $100 equal $261.50. Next, maximum risk spread width. Credit 20 minus 18 minus 2.615 equal 1.385 in multiply 100 equal $138.50. Maximum profit $261.50 if Rivian stays forth 20th expiration. Maximum loss $138.50 if Rivian falls forth 18th expiration. Probability bias moderately bullish or neutral. Price needs to stay above short strike. This structure has defined limited risk. You know your worst case upfront. Target small profit relative to risk. Collect premium and aim to buy back at a 30 to 50% profit of the credit. For example, if you can buy back for 1.30 cent, $1.30 minus $1.80, that is 50 to 30% of original. 2.62 cent dollar you could exit early. How to place and manage the trade practical steps. Check live quotes first. Use your broker's option chain. Choose expiry nearest weekly bit. Enough time value easy 7 to 14 days out. Enter the vertical credit spread. Sell the higher put 20 strikes. Buy the lower put 18 strikes. Use limit orders near midpoints. Set risk controls. Auto close buyback targeted 30 to 50% of premium collected. Booking profit stop loss buyback if position losses 50 to 70% of maximum risk. Monitor delta or fourth big news or volatility spikes can wade in premium. Avoid entering right before earnings of major events. Notes before trading. These prices above are indicative from a recent captured chain. That is December 5th. Live prices tomorrow may differ. Option liquidity various ensure spreads you pick have tight bid-ask and decent open interest. Your broker's platform will show live geeks, delta, theta, implied volatility, volumes, useful to access risk. This trade is directionally neutral to slightly bullish. If you expect a strong downward move, this strategy may lose. Don't trade. Please like, share and subscribe and comment. And another video is there, 1.5 minute. That is your art touch video. I think clearly you will find out that trading.
Achieving consistent minimum profits in options trading and cryptocurrency requires disciplined strategies and a clear understanding of market dynamics. In options trading, methods like the iron condor allow traders to benefit from stable price ranges, focusing on generating steady income rather than chasing large gains. For cryptocurrency, scalping is a popular approach, where traders make numerous short-term trades to capture small price movements. Both markets demand careful analysis, risk management, and timely execution. By following a structured step-by-step process, traders can enhance their potential for reliable returns while minimizing unnecessary risks. Let's take a closer look at 3 promising growth stocks currently priced under $40. Palantir Technologies specializes in data analytics and AI-driven solutions for both government and commercial clients. The company has experienced rapid growth, with its stock surging over 86% this year, and analysts have set a target price of $90. New Holdings is a leading digital banking platform in Latin America, known for its user-friendly mobile services and impressive expansion since its founding in 2013. Analysts project its stock could reach $15. Hewlett-Packard Enterprises focuses on IT solutions, including servers, networking, and cloud services, and has recently shifted toward edge computing and hybrid cloud with a target price of $30, reflecting confidence in its strategic direction.
Comment Patient is master.
Achieving consistent minimum profit.
Creators. You know who has creators. They are subscribe and grow your channel. Bull put spread payoff. Bull put spread payoff. Options profit plan. Options next day profit. Options profit. Iron Condor payoff. This is Condor strategy explained. Iron Condor maximum your returns. Profit, 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 loss, loss. Iron Condor profit. Bull put spread. Diagram is there. Stock price. Thank you, my dear friends. We will meet next day video. Thank you very much. You will like, share and comment. Subscribe, please.